I'm Richile and you arrive on time. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, and to my OGs, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when I post a new video. Let's get into it. So today is the 22nd of March and we are actually like preparing to go on a trip next week. So recess is over. It ended yesterday on Thursday, and since we do not have any classes as on Friday, so it's like it ended on Friday for us. And on Monday next week, today is Sunday by the way, so we are going on a trip for, I think it's 3 days or 4 days. We are going on Monday and coming back on Thursday. So today I have to go and buy things like snacks that I'll eat along the way, because they mentioned that if you wanna buy things you should buy, like, what am I saying? Okay, they say that we won't be stopping anywhere to buy snacks or buying food, so like you have to go there prepared. And yeah, so let's get into it and bye. I just got back, guys, and let's do a mini snack haul here. You guys, I've never had this type before of results, so let's try this. It's actually 5 of them, so I'm going to take maybe 3 and then leave one behind because I'm about to try one now. And yeah, it's cheese and onion flavored. I hope it's number. I hope it's nice. They're nice, but I've had better. You see, if you are really hungry, you're going to enjoy this. Like, I want to pack things that I'll be eating on the road, so one packet I'll put it in the bag and then the other one in this bag. Here's my bag. Let's try what's in here. I couldn't try because I was trying this and I didn't want to like mix everything and all that. So a bag, 2 of them by the way. Here's how it looks. I hope you guys can see. This is actually good. We also have these. I've never had this before. So apparently you get a sauce too. Let's try it without the sauce first. These are called chicken fingers. That is so weird. Anyways, let's try it. Hey, but it's too much salt. They have too much salt. This is not make sure. These are nice, but I wouldn't buy this again. I would buy the burger again. But
one eternity later.
no, actually, I wouldn't buy the burger again. Also, like there's too much salt. Like it was because I was hungry, but now after some few bites I can feel it that this is too much salt. But it's fresh though. It's just that the salt is too much. Hi guys, I hope you guys can see me because yeah, it's still early in the morning. It's around 6. It's 6 actually. So I just finished dressing up and taking a shower and all that. I just need to put everything in the bag and then zip it up and then off we go.
Turns out I had you turned out. What's my mood? Try to come find out. One more time.
Until
I'm better. She's lonely and you're mine. So fuck me. No, yeah, with me. Please don't bother me.
Should I try in his chair window?
So it's fine.
As not
Day one in Lapalala.
Good morning, you guys. I hope you can hear me. I just woke up and it's currently 5:05. So we had to wake up so early because we are using I don't know how to explain it, but we need to like be careful on how we use the warm water because it gets finished up because they're using hot solar and all that. So yeah, I mean I want to bank next to the other person bathing in there, and they're sleeping in 8. So we're sleeping in 8 groups or what? 8 in each room. So yeah, I wanna go next after. And yeah, I'm just so tired. I don't know what I'm even supposed to do. So we'll see.
This is us before the alien hunt.
Before the what? Pindini, guys. So gonya dintaba. Yeah. What? You want a picture? Yo. I'm taking the. We have arrived.
What are the arenas? The letters come in.
Condition. That's live for termites.
Hi. Bye. Hi, we just got back from attending, and Yeah, I'm so sleepy. Like almost everyone was sleeping because we did a lot of things yesterday, and yeah, we're given 15 minutes break. It's not make sure. Oh, nah. Anyways, see you soon. I'll hardly talk on this vlog because there's a lot going on, and yeah. It's like the HPW thing because we're always busy, and yeah. Anyways, bye.
Turns out I had you turned down.
But if you look at it, does the color even in the white?
One more time, stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her and she's not me, and you're not mine. Now yeah, baby, please don't bother me. Take me, don't leave me. Flawless diamond piece. You can make me freeze. Reasons that you got. Please stay love me, for me Chanel. 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 Stay love me, for me Chanel. I'm a big dog baby and a dog baby off me. Yeah, you and I'm bringing it's like crazy and I'm crazy. You want to see me, but you got baby. Please stay love me, for me Chanel. Stay love me, for me Chanel.
Guys, I just got back to my room and I came here to say that you have reached the end of the video. I am so tired. Like, I know the vlog is going to be messed up, and yeah, it happens. This week was a lot. Like, I wanted to leave like the moment we arrived. Like, everything was just too much, but also it was a nice experience, honestly, if I'm being like for real. But anyways, you have reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you so soon. Like, see you guys soon, and bye.
It's connected to you.